Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fistner. How are you doing, guys? So the video is recorded when I should be on the holiday. Hopefully I will be. But anyways, let's talk about lines on the screen, okay? So let's switch back again to this view and let's look here. Okay, you see that those lines are really nasty and that's problem with the display itself most of the time. Okay, hold on a wee second. Change view. So this TV was with those lines. It's not perfect. Okay, let's look at the other photos again. So let's go to here. Okay, that's wrong. Let's look. You see here. So you can see that the lines are going on this side more. Here is perfect picture on the left, and you can see that here starting this. Yes, so here is the issue as well. Okay, so I've pointed even closer. You see those lines going across, and when you fix those lines, which you've seen in the first picture, when you watch it, it's not that bad. You know, you can watch it. Yes, literally, that's not a problem. The problem only is that not always you can fix everything perfectly, and some of the repairs are, well, it's called cove bonding. That means chip on film. So let me get the display, which I'm using to show you always. Sorry, I wasn't prepared. My fault, my bad. So now you've got bottom cuffs, which should be true at the top, but okay, manufacturers want to make more money. They will be mounting them at the bottom. We want to make our own TVs, so our TVs probably would have the cuffs, you know, at the top. So that's chip on film here, okay, and that's not replaceable for most of the repair shops. Most of the repair shops will say display issue, no fix. Okay, there are as well side cuffs. So when you have side cuffs and when you've got a TV with a display with side cuffs and you have that one, you might cut off something on the back and you might get rid of it. It's not a guarantee because it depends if it's internal display issue or if it's a cuff issue. Yes, if it's a cuff issue, if you remove that shortage, you're most likely lucky to get the picture back. Now, that's called an LVDS issue. LVDS is like a bunch of signals, transfer signal from the main board to the display in a certain way. You've got a clock over there, it doesn't matter. It's plenty of those lines. Yes, so depending on the quality of the display, it will be lasting longer and this wouldn't happen, or maybe bad transportation could happen. Pests can happen. I had a customer, Hisense TV, 1.5-year-old or 2.5-year-old, and pests inside, and customer has no problem with pests at home. So it's looking like these probably went before it reached customer house, and that damaged cuffs. So that was inside one of the it's still in my car for the last week or so. I just wanted to leave it for extended period of time and then take it out from the car and see if there will be anything moving. Yes, because I still need to clean it. So I don't want to leave any chances that I will have at home some pests, like, I don't know, cockroaches or something. I can't tell you because I'm not familiar with it. But anyways, when you've got those kind of issues, you can partially fix it or you can fully fix it, depend on the condition. Yes, if you buy cheap TVs like at Asda, like at Tesco, like at Argos, yes, at those supermarkets, expect to not have a quality, at least for now. Yes, you buying to buy another one in a year, 2-3 years. If you're lucky, will be more. Yes, but if you're lucky, many customers are not. I get several repairs per week of TVs, and unfortunately that's the case. The normal fault in the TV is a backlight. That's quite acceptable. That's not perfectly acceptable, but that's quite acceptable. This is the worst. So buying cheap TV will guarantee you almost the fault like that. If you see that, now you know what it is. Can you fix it? You can. but you need to cut off those faulty LVDS lines. So we are doing it. And the repair is never dear for them. It's anything in between 30 to 60 pounds only. Yes, if it's conditioned like that and we can't do anything, and you brought the TV to us, then it's 30 pounds. Yes, if I need to go to you and do it at your place and, you know, have more hassle because of that, then yes, it can be more, because I need to spend time, petrol, etc. Yes, so that can reach up to 60 pounds, that type of repair. But it's still working. The question only is how long it will be working. Well, that I can't tell you. We've got JVC at home, at our bedroom, and that's for the last year, and it's fine. I've got customers for several years which still haven't come, because these are regular customers, and some of them, they would bring the TV back if there would be anything. Yes, so even sometimes they will just donate the TV, because I've told them that, you know, it won't be worth fixing if that will worsen to the level you can't watch it. So some of the people brought in, some of the people didn't, and I have customers who watch it like that for years. Some of the customers, after a week, even on our area here at Dedridge Livingston, customer, and that was only one example like that, they called me and they said, Peter, this TV died, completely died. Yes, so we don't know what the damage of the display is unless we will attempt the repair. When we attempt the repair, then we will know. But that's it in this episode. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, and hope you learned something.